Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am doing a lock retwist, a lock. Welcome back to my channel. No. Welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I will be doing a lock retwist video. I will be demonstrating in great detail how I retwist my own locks. So first, if you watched my last video, you will see my moisturized routine. I moisturized my hair about 2 days ago. And I explained in that video why I did not retwist right after I finished washing and moisturizing my hair. So if you want to know why, go check out that video. So right now what I'm going to do is lightly mist my roots to prepare for me retwisting my locks. I like to use this kind of spray bottle. I'm sure you guys have seen this kind of spray bottle before, but it just, hope you can see, yeah, see how the water just lightly comes out as mist. This is what I use for my hair because I don't like for it to be oversaturated when I'm about to retwist it. So I'm just going to lightly mist it now. Okay. So stay tuned. I will show you in the next clip in the rest of this video how I retwist.
Okay, so as you can see, I've already began retwisting the back of my hair here, and I have my locks clipped down so that they are out of the way as I begin to retwist the next section. Let's dive in. So I have my Napstar Lock Retwist Gel that I'll be using to retwist my hair. I really like this product. It has a great hold for my hair texture, so use a product that's good for you. I'm smoothing out the gel on my root and I am going to begin twisting towards the right. As you can see, I use the palm roll method to do my retwist. I like the results that I achieve when I do use this method. There's different ways that you can retwist your hair, but I advise finding out which method works best for you and then master it. Okay, so let's get a little more detailed in this tutorial. So I'm smoothing out my root with my Lock Retwist gel. And now I'm going to begin twisting my lock towards the right. And I cuff my lock in my left hand as I palm roll it with my right. So from this example, you can see that as I'm palm rolling my lock, my right hand is going upward. So once I feel that my lock is nicely retwisted, I then clip it down and move on to the next one. You might find this to be kind of tricky when you're first starting out, because I know it took me many times to master palm rolling. Because when I first began retwisting my hair, oh my gosh, it was disastrous. Like, you can literally tell that I didn't know what I was doing. About 2 days after me retwisting my hair, it looked like I did not retwist it at all. And I'm like, what is going on? So yeah, you can see that I'm doing the same method here. My right hand goes upward as I'm palm rolling, and I just make sure that the loose hairs are nicely secured within the lock and clip it down. So when I moved on to the next section, I felt like my roots was drying out a little bit from the water. So I said, let me go ahead and just spray a little bit of the oil on my roots so that it could be nice and smooth and not so brittle when I separate my locks from each other.
Okay, so I finished the back of my hair with retwisting it. And now I'm going to start on the front. So the front, I usually split it down the middle. I do the left side first, and then I proceed with the right side. So
Let's take a quick little break. Guys, are you following me on Instagram yet? If not, make sure you follow me. You can find me at Octavia.Darling. Follow me and let me know you found me on YouTube. Also, check me out on Pinterest. Oh my gosh, I'm on Pinterest all of the time. I don't really promote my Pinterest, but that's where I really be. I have so many boards, and one of my favorite boards is the lock hairstyles. You can go on there and see so many different styles and gain a lot of inspiration like I do. Now back to the tutorial. Okay, so I started retwisting my hair in the front on the left side. And if you didn't notice that quickly, I retwisted it the wrong direction. And this is when I noticed it. My conscience is like, wait, something don't feel right, girl. Something does not feel right. Shall I proceed? Yes, indeed. No, really, I just kept going. And I was like, man, something just don't feel right. But maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just tripping. So I was like, I already started. Let me just finish this one up at least. And eventually I said, okay, that was definitely not the correct direction. So I ended up having to start over anyways and correct my wrongs. Definitely a lesson to always trust your instincts. Now, I would be lying to you all if I said that this doesn't happen from time to time. So, what I decided to do to help me to remember how to retwist my hair when I get to the front is this phrase: left, away, right, towards. That simply means when I am on the left side of my hair in the front, I twist away from my face. But when I am on the right side, as you can see here, I twist towards my face. And when I say that began to help me so much, I mean, it just makes perfect sense. Left, away, and right towards, like, come on. That's a great way to remember, right? Comment down below if this will help you or if you find this to be very clever. I should definitely trademark this phrase. I said it first. Remember, I said it first. So yeah, I am just retwisting the right side of my head. The right side of my head. I am retwisting the right side towards my face. And that way, all of my locks are going the same direction. And that's pretty much it. I mean, as you can see, I'm almost done already. I mean, of course, this video was edited. But it really doesn't take that much time once I get in the groove. It can take me about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, depending on if I'm watching something good at the time while I'm doing it and it's distracting me. But other than that, I move pretty quickly. So after you master the technique, then find your pace and you'll be good. So yeah, my retwist is done. And this is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.